In the mountains to the sea, to the rising and now to the setting sun. Good evening, everybody, and aloha.
Aloha.
Thank you. I'd like to welcome all of you here to our Smith's Tropical Paradise. The first event of the evening, of course, is our imu ceremony, or the unearthing of the imu. Imu is our underground oven. This is Hawaii's answer to the microwave. But it cooks Hawaiian style, very, very slowly. Going back in history a little bit, at one time man worshipped fire. He knew that some of the food he had to be cooked. He couldn't eat its natural state. In other words, raw. Like everybody else, the Hawaiians had a trial and error period. Some of them burned the food so bad they couldn't eat it. This is one particular method of cooking the Hawaiians perfected. We call it art of cooking kalua. Simply digging a pit and burying it. Now, if you go down to the South Pacific, all of our Polynesian cousins, everybody had their own way of doing it. This is how the Hawaiians did it. Now, the size of the pit depends what you're going to put inside. You can cook anything in here: beef, fish, chicken, pork. You put the sweet potato, the taro, the breadfruit, even dessert. All we have here tonight is our kalua pua, or the kalua pig, and some Hawaiian rice pudding for dessert. Now, this pit is 4 feet wide, 5 feet long, and about 3 feet deep. Once the pits are usually dug, we look for firewood. Now, we don't burn any kind of firewood. That's a good hardwood, something what we call keawe. It's similar to the mesquite. Hardwood give good strong fire. Now, we don't have that. We use the Australian pine or the ironwood. Now, the wood is cut in pieces and put on the bottom. On top of the wood, we put this porous rock. It's called pohaku. It's lava rock. It has been rolling in the streams and drowned it off. Now, if you want to go home and try something like this, fine. But please don't use your rock. Most of your rock is solid. And you heat them up, they explode like a bomb. This gets red hot. So once the rocks are placed on the firewood, the fire is started. About an hour and a half or 2 hours later, the rocks are red hot. The leftover firewood is then taken out. All what's going to cook the pig in here